To be able to quickly gather the center and radius of the circle, you really need to understand the structure of this standard equation. Well, the center is always the opposite of whatever's here and the opposite of whatever's here. So because you have -1, you really write +1, and -2 becomes +2. Of course, if either of them or both were positive, it'd become negative when you extract it. Now, this right side is always the radius squared. In fact, let me show you the standard equation of a circle so you can see why I'm doing what I'm doing. Notice how we have negative, negative, which means opposite, opposite. That's why the center is just HK. You take the opposite of each. And since this is r squared, in our case, r squared is 36, we take the square root to get r. Now, technically, when you take the square root of something squared, you get plus or minus. But because we're dealing with a radius, which is a distance from the center to any point on a circle, you can't have a negative radius. So we'll eliminate the negative option and just leave the positive. So which option says the center is 1, 2, and the radius is 6? It's only option A.